Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna do a Shein haul for all you guys. I mean, it's for me. I basically bought a lot of random stuff and I put them in my cart for a long time, and because I haven't shopped in like 3-4 months and Sarojini is like impossible to go to right now, so I ordered a bunch of stuff from Shein and I'm so excited to show you guys all what I bought. So the first thing that I bought is this polka dot cord skirt combo, which has this peplum top, which I really love because I really like the sleeves. It really suits my body type, and also I love the neckline because it's not too deep and it's not too high, so I think it's like really good for the summers, and I love how it looks on me. And I really like this color because blue is one of my favorite colors and polka dot is one of my favorite prints. Like, it's anything vintage is something that I absolutely love, and I love having a lot of them. So this is the first thing that I bought. So I'm gonna give this polka dot cord set a 9 out of 10 because I really love this product. Second thing that I bought is this sheer puff sleeves crop top in the color black, and honestly I did not think that this would be so cool. Like, I was so scared because it said crop top, and I'm usually like, whenever I wear crop top, like my whole body is shown and I really don't like that. But thankfully I ordered a lot of high-waist stuff with this to go with this, so I could even pair it with the skirt that I got from the polka dot dress, and then or else I can wear like high-waist jeans or like any other high-waist pant or skirt with this mesh top, and it looks amazing. So the fabric of the sleeves is basically mesh material, which is mesh material. I mean, I don't know how else to describe it, but it is not like as irritating as I thought it would be, and it's a pretty good quality product. And the front part is actually cotton, which is, I think, a really good thing because you don't want like a satin top or something plus the mesh. Like, it will just make you feel so uncomfortable. So I really like this product and I would give it like 8 out of 10. So the third thing that I bought is these high-waist straight leg pants, which I've been wanting for a long time. I do have a lot of white pants apparently, I don't know why, and a lot of white shirts, like, which is like inevitable. Like, you cannot escape having a white shirt in your wardrobe, like, right? I mean, or is it just me? I don't know. But anyways, I really like these pants. Like, the fitting is so good. I ordered a medium size for myself, and honestly it fits me so well. The material is like a synthetic sort of a material, but it goes like very high waist, like not very, like perfectly high waist, and I can wear it with crop tops since I bought a lot of crop tops during like this time, and I can wear it with anything that I want to. Like, I can even pair it with like really cool t-shirts or like formal shirts, anything, like from casual to like party or like even to go to work. Like, I can use these pants everywhere. So I'm gonna give this 10 out of 10 because I think it's such a great deal for a product, and plus you can literally wear it everywhere and anywhere, and I will wear this a lot. Okay, so the fourth product that I bought is this sunflower crop top, which I really loved because I really wanted something like bright and like flowery for the summers, even though I'm not going out anywhere. Like, I know I'm gonna like shoot at home and for my work and for myself and even for like to just take Instagram pictures. Like, I wanted a really flowery top and I got it, and honestly I actually thought that it would not fit me well because I like crop top was like 10 years ago, right? Like this top, and it really goes well with the white pants that I bought, and it even goes well with like leggings and a skirt, or like even cool like high waist jeans. I think it would really go well with that, and I would give this a 7 out of 10 because I'm still not a fan of crop tops like yet, and like I cannot wear this like with my other jeans, which is probably not high waist, so it's definitely something that I won't be wearing all the time. So I think it's a great product but not useful every time, so I'm gonna give it 7 out of 10. So the fifth thing that I bought is this cactus print like night suit. It's called a cami dress. So I basically wanted like a nice comfortable night suit which would be really good for the summers because it's really hot in Delhi, like it's 40 degrees Celsius every day, and I like it. I really like it, and I have worn it so many times now, and it's just ridiculous how many times I've worn this. And I think the color is kind of coming out, which I honestly don't mind because I got it for like a really good price. I got it for like 300 bucks, and it also came with this like eye cover thing, like you know, you can just wear it and like sleep or something, but it doesn't really fit me well, but it does like work as an accessory, so I can like just wear this and like pose or something. I think it's a great product, and I would give this a 9 out of 10. I'm sorry, like it's a great product. I really like it. It's so comfortable, and like I thought it was like a satin product, like a satin cloth material, but it's actually like a really nice cottony sort of a material, which is really good for the summers. But I took the 1 point because the color is kind of fading now, like after a few washes, which is kind of sad, but I really love wearing this like every day. I would just wear this every day if I can. So yeah. So then I got a bunch of accessories. I got these earrings, which I really like because I think it's I've been seeing like a lot of like Instagram models and like Pinterest pictures with like these big half hoop earrings. I don't know what it's called, but it's so nice, and it's golden color because I really just love the color gold because I think it goes really well with summer colors or even winter colors. But I think silver is more of a wintry vibe, but I think gold is more like a summer vibe. So I really like this, and I ordered a bunch of other gold accessories as well, like this 3-piece necklace that I got, and I really like it, but like the overcoat is kind of like fading away now, and I've just worn it like once and it started fading away, and I think I would give it like a 5 out of 10 because I don't think like it's supposed to fade that soon. But I do really like those necklaces, and I would wear it like a lot of time, like with different outfits, because it's so good. But I can't wear it now every time because it's fading, so that kind of sucks. And then these earrings are such a steal deal, and I think I got it for like 200 bucks, and I really like it, so I think I'm gonna give it 8 out of 10. This choker necklace that I got, I think it's supposed to be choker, but it doesn't really come to my neck as a choker necklace, or I just don't wear it like that. But I really like this because I think the quality is good. It doesn't irritate my skin usually, like this necklace kind of like irritates my skin, but this one doesn't, and the color is not fading, like the gold color is still staying, which I really like. And I think it goes really well with these square neck t-shirts or shirts. I'll give this a 9 out of 10 because I really like it. So then I got these really nice scrunchies, and they're like, I have like, I think 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Like I don't know where's the other. Okay, it's here. I have 4 of them, and like they come in different colors. 2 of them are like pink, and then 1 is white, and then 1 is like a cream color. And honestly, I really like these, and these were like for 200 or something, and I think they're really worth it because I've been seeing a lot of Pinterest pictures with like these satin rubber bands, like scrunchies, and I really wanted to buy one of them, and I got 4. So I'm really happy with it, and I'm giving this a 10 out of 10 because it is one of my favorites, and the quality is really good. Like it is not like losing its elasticity or anything like how a lot of bands do, but surprisingly this is not, and I really like it. Then I got this like really stupid thing. I saw the picture of it like this, so I thought it's a sunglass with a chain. Okay, and it was for 150 rupees, so I thought, oh my god, it's so cheap, so let me just buy this. But guess what came in the mail? Like this random chain, and I was like, huh? I was trying to find my sunglasses. I was like, where's the sunglass? Like, is it broken? Like, I couldn't find it. And then I found this chain, and then I went back to Shein's page, and I read the description, and it said that it was just the chain, and it wasn't the sunglass. So joke's on me, but I do really like this. I haven't tried this yet, but I might like try it for like one of my shoots or something, but I think it will look really cool with my sunglasses. So yeah, I'm gonna give this a 6 out of 10 because I think I'm disappointed in Shein, because I think they should not deceive people like by putting that picture. They should also put just a picture of the chain, like at least at the end or something. Like, don't deceive people. Okay, I'm not happy about this. So that's it, guys. This is the Shein haul that I did, and let me know in comments down below if you guys want to see more videos like this, or if you guys want to see any other kind of video. Please let me know that as well. And thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Until next time, peace.